always coming back to support your baby girl. You all know how we roll on this channel, guys.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. If you want to be the first to be notified of any of my new video, please do hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support your baby girl. You all know how we roll on this channel, guys. Thank you so much for always coming back to support me. Oh my goodness, you guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much from my heart. If you are new to my channel, thank you, and if you subscribe right now, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. For those who join my membership, I say may God continue to bless you all and may your pockets never runs dry. And for those who also buy from my store, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for putting smile on this sexyosas face. I really love you guys so much for helping me and for lifting me up, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You guys are so fabulous. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end, and see you on my next video. Bye.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up.
Hello guys. Okay, today guys, I'm going to be styling this very lace frontal, guys. Oh my goodness, I love this wig so much. Actually, it's a old wig. It was black before, so I changed it to this very color you're seeing here today. So right now I will just go ahead to apply the gel, you know, on my front hair so that it will hold the lace frontal so tight. Okay, you all know I love wigs so much, and I also love natural things, you know. So that is it guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, so right now I'm just going to apply this, you know, a little bit. So that is it. You don't need much things to use on this very style, so just dry it up a little, then pull the hair to it, you know, so just to hold it tight. Okay, so after this I just have to use the dryer to dry it up a little bit, you know. So that is it guys. It's very simple and quick to do. So you can also change your wig, you know, from black to any color of your choice. Like me, I love this color so much. It was black before, so I decided to change it, you know. So changing it is even more better, you know. No regrets at all. I love it so much. So this is it right now. You see, I can freely comb it, brush it, you know, because it's tight already. It's so tight. It's really good. I really love the fact that it's tight. Yeah. So right now we just choose the kind of parts I need for myself. You can also choose the kind of parts you need. Okay, you can go to, you can put any part you really like me. I would just go for center parts, you know. I don't want to brush the hair back, you know. I just have to do some parts to it. Yeah, that is it, guys. So I'm not doing much on this very styling today, so just part it the way I want it to be, so you can also do it the way you want it to be, you know. So right now, as you can see, it's raised at this side, so I just have to use a dry hat to bring it down, you know. So that is it, guys. It's not something so hard. It's something you can just take your time to do. Put your mind there, you know. That's just it. Yeah. So if you don't want to use a dry hat to slip it down, you can also use whatever thing you have to do it, you know. I think doing it this way, it can be stressing to some of you, you know. So just do what you like, and you don't need to follow my step. That is just it, guys. So right now I'm just straightening the parts, you know, because I'm going to be using my heater to make sure it's got flat. Yeah, as you can see. So just doing everything right now just to bring everything back, you know, just the way I want it to be. You can do whatever thing you want, you know. That's what I always say on my video. You don't need to follow my style, but if you find it's helpful, no problem, you can do it my own way. Okay, so that is just it, guys. You know what, you guys are so amazing. I just hit 11,000 subscribers right now. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I pray it never goes down, because YouTube, oh my god. Anyway, they're good to me. I love YouTube so much for the way they do the thing with me. It's so good, and I really appreciate them for the way they always treat me. Yeah, so I just hit 11,000 subscribers today, and I'm so happy, and I'm grateful to you guys, all my new subscribers. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much. Okay, sexyosas promise you guys not to fail you. Okay, so I will always do my best to put smile on you guys' faces. All right, so as you can see, I'm still struggling of putting this hair so flat, guys. Yeah, it's not easy, but you just have to do your best to look beautiful. Okay, so that is it, guys. My hot subscribers, you guys are so amazing. The way you always come back to support me, oh my goodness, I love you guys so much, you know. And sorry guys, I'm too slow of posting lately. Okay, so I have a lot of things doing and lot of things going on right now. I don't know how to put the word, guys. So that is it. So right now you can see the part is okay. I didn't do a lot of work, you know, passing it. I just have to use my foundation just to make sure the part shows, you know. That is it. You can also pluck it out if you want. If you don't want to follow my step, you can also do it the way you want. Okay, so that is it, guys. Everything is possible just the way you want it. Okay, just the way you want it to be. All right, so thank you so much for those who join my membership. You guys are so amazing. I love you guys so much, you know. And for those who buy from my store, you know, I thank you so much. I don't know how to put the word, guys, you know, because I'm so excited, you know. I love you guys so much. The way you guys show me loves is so beautiful. Let me put it that way. So this is it, guys. You can see your baby girl. She's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, did I just say that? Oh yes, she's so cool. You know, this guys is so